Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be on this hair. These are clip-in hair extensions from Curls Queen Hair. If you're not familiar with Curls Queen Hair, they do make textured clip-ins from light Yaki all the way up to coarse, and they also have multiple different type of curl patterns. I really do like this hair. I decided to get the light Yaki texture that they have on their website. I am natural, and I will be putting out a silk press video on how I did my silk press at home, so please stay tuned for that. So yeah, I started off with silk pressed hair, freshly washed and everything, and then I installed these clip-ins. These are the 16-inch clip-ins in the light Yaki texture, and they come in like this natural brown color. My hair is like a 1B, and you can kind of see like where my hair and the hair is blending. So that is like the only thing that I don't like about the hair, is the fact that it's a little bit lighter than mine. But of course, this is 100% human hair. You can go in and you can dye it. So I would definitely recommend trying to dye it to match the exact color of your hair. My hair is like such a weird color that I wouldn't even know what to dye these to match it exactly. But I would definitely recommend to do that. It would do pretty good. I think that overall they look really nice. You probably couldn't even tell if I didn't say anything to you, and I'm sitting in front of my ring light, of course, too, so that's probably enhancing it. In natural sunlight, they should look pretty natural. But I wanted to go for like a natural length, that's something that I could pull off and make it look like, okay, that could definitely be her real hair. And I feel like it's giving that I got good hair, you feel me? It's giving that I got long natural hair. The way that I put these in, I tried to put them back farther than my hairline right here in the front, so I could have that natural, like, just, you know, edge out, and it doesn't look like my clip-ins are sitting right here, because that's one thing that you really don't want to do, is you don't want your clip-ins sitting right there in the front, so then you can't pull it back. I can actually pull this in a ponytail if I want to, or a bun, the way that I put them in. So keep watching this video to the end, because I am going to show you guys a tutorial of how I actually got these in. But I just wanted to kind of introduce the video and start it off by letting you know who this company is and what type of products that they sell. So yeah, with that being said, if you're interested in seeing how I got this look and how I put my clip-in extensions in, how I blended them and everything, please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and make my first section. I'm just going to be parting my hair where I want to put the first set of clip-ins at. I'm not using a mirror, so your parts don't really have to be that straight, as long as you're putting your clip-ins in as close to that part as possible. You don't want them hanging all down in your hair, because then they'll just pull out when you comb. So as you can see, I'm going in as close to that part, as closest to the root of my hair as possible, and then I'm going to be clipping those clip-ins closed. And I'm just going to repeat that same process all across my head. You don't want to part super far away, like it should be fairly close, like a ½ inch to an inch away from each clip-in section, because they give you so many of them. If you part too far away, you won't even use all of them. But again, that's just a preference. You don't really have to use all of them because they're really full. But yeah, you don't want to part too far away or you won't use all of them. I started off with the clip-in section that had the 3 clips on it, and then I went up to a 4 and a 5, and then I went back down to the 3 and the 2. It totally just depends on your head shape and how you are parting your hair. So there is no right or wrong ways to put these in. It's just, like I said, totally dependent upon you and how you want your hair to look, and also like what side you're parting it to, what kind of hairstyle you're wearing, and all of that. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button for me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.